Imagine a hot and humid summer day where you step out into the garden and select your own salad leaves for a super nutritious, cooling, and ultimately fresh salad. Those are the best, are they not? Love that. Well, today I'm going to tell you about 5 salad herbs that I grow in my garden, which not only contain all the nutritional value of your traditional lettuce, but also grow fine in the humidity. There's nothing worse than growing your crop of fresh food and discovering it completely eaten by pests, or worse still, wilting and soggy in the humidity. So here's your solution to that. And right at the end, I'm going to share with you the plant that my partner says are the absolute best for summer sandwiches. He says, unlike other lettuce varieties that he's had on his salad sandwiches, this one remains tasty and firm throughout the day so that he can eat his lunch whenever he gets the chance. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you'd like to support the Wood Wide Web. And now, let's get into it. The first plant I'd like to share with you is one that I keep in a hanging pot. And the reason for that is this one, if it gets away in your garden, it really takes over. I grow these gorgeous heart-shaped leaves for my salad. And you might be thinking of this as a vegetable that you eat when you dig it up, but the leaves of the sweet potato are just as nutritious, just as healthy as the rest of the plant. So what about the nutrition? Well, here's some things to love. Sweet potato is full, or the sweet potato leaves, I should say, are full of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It's full of antioxidants, contains folate, as well as potassium, magnesium, and a host of other things as well. So get one of these in a hanging pot and enjoy some fresh love hearts in your salad. The second plant today features edible flowers as well as leaves. The spicy, peppery flavour of the nasturtium leaves and the flowers is something that you can add sparingly to your salads just to give them a bit of zing. They're also full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, lots of antioxidants, zinc, iron, which we all need, and potassium. I love sprinkling the petals of this flower just to add a final flourish to my summer salads in the tropics. But what about the natives, I hear you say? Well, here they come. The next 3 are native. This beautiful little gem with its tiny edible flowers is a native, and it is anti-inflammatory, famed in fact for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's said to strengthen blood vessels and was used traditionally to treat respiratory conditions. It is full of vitamin A and vitamin C, and once again, another plant with folate for your salads. This is native violet, and it's just gorgeous in a salad and with a lovely mild leaf taste. Here's another salad plant full of love hearts for you. This is beach hibiscus, and it grows all along the North Australian coast. These tiny little red new leaves are the best to use in your salads. You can see the pests have got to this one a little bit, but trust me, there's always plenty more. It's a very productive plant, and just like the others, it's full of nutritional benefits. There's vitamin C, and vitamin B is a big one for this one, which is fantastic for your health, as well as calcium to make your bones strong, and potassium. Beach hibiscus also has edible flowers, though this one is not flowering at the moment. Finally, we're at the plant that is the best one to use in your salad sandwiches. Nice, robust, large leaves. Grows beautifully in the tropics and the subtropics, provided it gets enough water. This one is very popular in Pacific Islands and in Asia. It was recently given a new common name of Queensland greens, but you might know it as a beaker. And a beaker is full of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, protein. It's fantastic for your vision and for your immune health. It's full of protein, and as I said, it lasts all day on a salad sandwich without going soggy. And to top it off, it's just delicious. So that's just a few of the plants that I use in my tropical salads, ones that will grow in your tropical garden happily. And then, if we get cut off by floods, I've still got my salad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time we get into it.